Future Missy. That's all I really know. Future Missy.
Keep it shit a stack it to my death, so I'm always gonna be me. I'm never switching up my step. Get a pound and bust it down. I low-key run the city while you niggas run your mouth, and I be paying off the
fans. Welcome back to my channel. I am her, she is me, and I am giving welcome back. Today I'm doing a fragrance haul for you guys, and these are some of my favorite fragrance smells that I own. My name is Allison. For all those who don't know, welcome to my channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Today, sis, I'm gonna put you up on some game. Some of the best fragrance out there, the most popular fragrance out there, I own them. We're gonna review right here. Stay tuned. The first scent we're gonna go over today. This is my all-time #1 go-to. Sis, if you do not have this fragrance in your collection, you need to go get it. This is A Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. And I'm not going to be pronouncing some of these fragrance names wrong, so I'm going to leave the name somewhere on the screen, so don't kill me. But this right here, this scent, wow. If you don't know what this smells like, first and foremost, pause, go to Ulta, Sephora, or Macy's, and smell this fragrance. This is definitely part of the floral family. Definitely a warm floral. It's definitely also a very much grown and sexy vibe. Honestly, you can wear this like on date night. You can wear it to the office too if you want, you know, to the club, to the parties if you want. But this is not something to wear every day unless you're actually like me and I wear it every day. The first thing that attracted me to this fragrance, like to be honest, is the bottle. Right, look at the bottle. This is the 3.4 ounce, so I think this is the biggest bottle they carry. Is it really practical to spray? Not really, because you don't have it like this and kind of like break the heel off. Mine hasn't broken yet. Hopefully it doesn't break. So it's kind of hard to spray too. But other than that, I love it. And the next fragrance I'm going to move on to is also one you should have in your collection. And this is Miss Dior Perfume by Christian Dior. This is a 3.4 ounce. So this is also a floral fragrance, one of the warm florals. Literally smells like a bouquet of flowers. Like, I don't know how to describe it besides that. It literally smells like my wall. Like, it's beautiful. You can wear this everywhere. I mean, you so choose. Honestly, I wear it at the grocery store. I put some on when I got in the shower, about to go to bed. Definitely not. I feel like you can wear it, like any age you can wear this. It's not an age specified fragrance, if that makes sense. Like if you want to share this like with your 12-year-old sister or you know your 5-year-old niece, you can spray this on anybody and it'll smell fine. It's nothing like, oh, this is like too sexy, too girl for someone. No. Everyone and anyone can wear this fragrance, and I recommend everybody and anybody to get this fragrance. Now, just in case you guys don't know, the difference between perfume and toilettes, so perfumes are more concentrated, where toilettes have like more alcohol in them, so the smell is more diluted. So even though there are some fragrances that come in like a toilet and a perfume, it's very important to smell both of them because they will both slightly smell a little bit different. My collection is mainly like fresh fragrance and floral fragrance, but every now and then I like to get that very unique fragrance smell. And one of my favorite unique fragrance smells is by Jo Malone, and this is their Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. Now, Jo Malone is just unisex, you know, fragrance, unisex perfume. You can smell some floral scents when you smell this one, when you spray it, but it's more fruity. I love this one. Like, this right here, this is my baby. This is right after Good Girl. I would reach for this one. Love it. We're gonna move on to my next bestie. And my next bestie is a Daisy by Marc Jacobs Intense. Not the regular one, but the Intense. You know the Intense one is like has like a darker bottle. So this is the 1.7 ounce. Usually like when I buy a new fragrance, like if I like the smell, I'll probably buy the smaller bottle before I buy the bigger bottle. But clearly I only had this for like a month and a half, maybe 2 months, and it's already like halfway gone. So I'm gonna be buying the big bottle soon. But this stuff, this is beautiful. This is another one I consider is part of my Grown and Sexy collection. Now, you can wear this everywhere if you want. Like me, I wear it to doctor's office sometimes. But definitely a fragrance for date night. If you don't get any fragrance from my collection, get this one. I think just a small bottle is like $88, so it's not that expensive, you know? You know this bottle. I don't have to tell you about this one. You know this bottle because you know the smell. Guys, I used to have the small 1.7 ounce of this one. I think this is a 3.4 ounce. This is the Toy 2. I don't even have to tell you. Like, I don't even have to explain this to you. You know this smell. But in case you don't, this is definitely a very, I would say it's probably the fruity and floral. Definitely an everyday scent. I can wear this every day. I used to only wear it to the club. And honestly, out of all my fragrances, besides the Daisy Intense and the Good Girl, this is like, and the Jo Malone, of course. This will sit on your skin and your clothes all day. All day. The smell won't fade. I love it. Had the smaller bottle, had the bigger bottle. Moving on. I have so many fragrances. Like, I have to like make this video like super, you know, this video I keep going. I can't drag on how much I love these fragrances, but I love them all. I honestly do. I'm so bad at these names, but when they smell good, I just have to buy them. So this is the Chanel Chant. And then just like I said, this is like the Eau Vive. Can you see it? Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Anyway, I say I'll leave the name somewhere around here. So this is definitely one of my fresh smelling perfumes. This is the biggest bottle they offer, and this is a 3.4 ounce. Some of the key notes in this would be like jasmine, grapefruit, very, very fruity. But I would say it's more fresh fruity. Like when you spray it, imagine me spraying it, right? You will smell the fruit before you smell the fresh. It's very distinct. Honestly, I haven't met anyone who like doesn't like the smell. However, I don't know a lot of people who own it because, you know, when you're buying a lot of these fragrances, they're starting at least like $120 in this size, at least $120. You want to make sure you love it. This is one I definitely like. Definitely want to have a collection. Especially if you don't have like a Chanel perfume, this is probably a good one to try. So this is Brit Sheer from Burberry. This is their toilette. So this is one of the toilet fragrances I do own, which means when I spray this, you know, it doesn't last all day. This one seems to still keep up with the rest of them in regards to like how long I can wear this fragrance. To me, it is clean. It's a clean scent, but it's like a statement perfume, a statement fragrance. I love all my, you know, fragrance perfumes. I like to walk to the room and I want everyone to like, ooh, what are you wearing? You know, you can do that with this, but it's so, in my opinion, so light with the smell. Not faint, but light. That it's more like, oh, you smell nice. But no, I want everybody like, oh, girl, what is that you wear? That's how I want to react when I wear a fragrance. But it's still a nice one. Once I finish this bottle, I won't be purchasing it again. Like I said, it's not a bad fragrance. It's just not my type of extraness that I need in my life. I'm halfway done with my collection. So this is the Armani Ocean. For me, like my house has to smell like fresh, clean linen. This would be, I would compare this like fresh, clean linen. Like something was like fresh, clean. This would be my go-to fragrance. It lasts, the smell lasts. It doesn't linger all day as I would like it to. Like for it to. That's I'm glad I purchased it in the small ounce. It's like a 1.6 ounce. So once this is up, I may go and purchase a bigger bottle. I may not. But definitely something to have in your collection if you love fresh smells, and especially if you love fresh, clean linen. This is it. The next one I also have is also from Armani, and this is the Aqua. Now I love this smell for sure. Unlike the Ocean, this smell lingers all day. And I feel like I like this one a lot more than the Ocean. I prefer a lot more than Ocean because it kind of reminds me of like the Brit Sheer by Burberry mixed with a little like Good Girl by Carolina. So this is like the 1.6 ounce. It's definitely considered a floral as well, and a fruity floral. Well, this one's more like fruit. Like you can actually smell the fruits in here. Like whatever fruits are in here, can't tell you. But definitely a floral, fruity smell. And we're almost done. We're almost done. I swear to God. This right here. This is like #1 corporate perfume, in my opinion. I love wearing this perfume when I have meetings. I love wearing this perfume when I go to work. I love wearing this perfume on dates. I love wearing this perfume out the shower, going to bed. I love it. So this is the 3.4 ounce. I believe it's pronounced Bachelor Mashika. I know Mashika has to be pronounced. I have to pronounce that part right. This right here smells like, man, it smells like diamonds dancing. Like I can't describe it any other way. Very clean and very light, very sophisticated. You know, I would say anyone between the ages of 14 and up, you should have this collection. If you're going to a job interview, girl, this is a bottle to have. And this stuff is beautiful. I've never had anyone not like this fragrance. Every time I wear this fragrance, I get compliments. It's beautiful. Like it's something you need in your collection for sure. This is the Lancome Intense. The name of this perfume is so long, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because it's straight French. I'm gonna mess it up. But this bad boy, I believe the name here, is beautiful. This is definitely, if you're into like spicy scents, but it's like the most intense, spiciest perfume you can buy without smelling like extra spicy. Does that make sense? I love wearing this. I don't wear this often because it's definitely a statement smell for sure. This will last on your clothes and your skin all day, hands down. In regards to age appropriateness, I would say it's definitely not something you like spray on a teenager. Definitely not something you would spray on a young girl. It's definitely a grown and sexy smell for sure, hands down. That will last you all day. Beautiful. If you never smelled this fragrance, go to Ulta or Macy's and smell this fragrance. You need to. This is actually a hair brand, believe it or not, but they make a fragrance, and this is called Melrose Place. It's a perfume, and it literally smells like roses, like it's rose water in a bottle. This is the biggest bottle they offer, and it's at the 1.7 ounce. This retails for itself, I think at $60. It was an okay buy. You know, it smelled beautiful. It was something like I like to wear, because I like to wear fragrance to bed too sometimes, because I'm that extra. And this is definitely something I would recommend, probably like getting a rose ward. Like if you like to smell like roses all the time, this perfume is good because it will last all day. Derek Lamb Tan Crosby. This fragrance right here, definitely beautiful. This is more so a floral scent. It comes with a kick. Like this stuff will sit on you all day. Beautiful, beautiful smell. And when you want, you know, that nice airy smell, like I don't know how to describe it besides like floral and a statement perfume at the same time. Beautiful, but I won't be repurchasing. Last but not least, out of all my fragrance packs, I do have a lot of fragrance, and I would say 99.9 of them are luxury fragrances. This one right here, it's not. And this one is like my third bottle. This, if you recognize this bottle, ever seen this bottle, this is from Old Navy. This is their Petals and Rain Small Scents. And when I tell you, this stuff is good. Like, this is like a unisex fragrance for sure. I love wearing this. One and foremost, this scent will last you. Does it last all day? It does last all day, but it slowly faints. When we first apply, it's very present and it slowly faints throughout the day, which is fine. For $12 for this to last all day, and I don't say like it lasts all day, like but it'll last you. For $12, this is a good investment. It literally smells like rain and rose petals. Like, I love to wear it. You know, if I'm like going, I don't know, I'm going to the gym, maybe going to the grocery store. Definitely a good fragrance to put on. If I'm going to bed, I like smelling this. I like spraying this as well. This is your 1 ounce. So this is like the smallest ounce. I think they only offer it like in this one size. And I've had it now for about a month. And you already see like how much I sprayed out of it. Like, this is my 3rd bottle. I love it. And I spray a lot of perfume. I'm literally like, I gotta spray everywhere. I love to. I have to. And for the price, you can't go wrong. You really can't. So yeah, thank you guys for sitting with me, listening to me ramble about some of my favorite fragrances. Like I said, if you have never heard some of these fragrances, get into them, sis. Go update your collection, because a lot of these are like staples. You need them, especially the Miss Dior by Christian Dior. You need that fragrance. Like I told you, you need it. But other than that, yeah. Thanks guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.